Hi, I'm Iggy with Lincoln Electric, and today we're introducing plasma cutting accessory kits, the perfect addition to your new Torchmate CNC plasma cutting table. These kits offer the recommended personal protective equipment for your new Torchmate. The basic kit provides all of the necessary pieces to offer you a safe user experience. An advanced kit is also available that includes additional post-processing tools on top of the basic kit. The basic kit includes 4 pairs of Lincoln Electric regular safety glasses, 1 pair of Lincoln Electric Shade 5 safety glasses, 1 Shade 5 face shield, an extendable magnet for small part retrieval, a pair of Lincoln Electric leather welding gloves, a multi-purpose scraping tool, all included in a Lincoln Electric duffel bag. The advanced kit contains the basic kit, plus a 4.5-inch angle grinder, 2 wire wheels, 10 flap discs, a leather welding apron, and Lincoln Electric clear full face shield. Together, these kits will offer everything that you'll need to safely and efficiently prepare your projects for welding. For more information, visit torchmatestore.com or follow the link below.